Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we'll be crashing the real life bases of Edward and Oliver off a bridge. Oh, not this stupid situation again. Hey. Okay, there we go. My phone flipped the wrong way around. Shut up! Up about the aliens. I don't care right now. I only care about having a runaway goods train. Don't. That did not turn out to plan. Ignore that. You, who wants to eat flies? That is disgustioso. Time to crash Edward. My strategy is go slow. Oh, speed up, slow. Oh, speed up. So then you can crash off of the bridge. Fully. Oh. Camera there. There's my goods train that I didn't decide to pick up. Okay, good. We're still on the rails. Let's go. What a big world, big adventure. Let's go. Explore the world with Edward and his friends. Three. And we'll be doing one more crash. Gimme. Time to die, Henry. Oh. Oh, my finger situation again happened. Yeah, let me. Hello everyone, I'm Henry the Green Engine! Henry dies the 6th. Because I made Henry Dies the 5th, and Triple T E guy made Henry Dies 1 to 4. So yeah. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video. Sayonara.